I'm with Maria today. Maria, you came in about 2 to 3 months ago, and you seemed you were a little bit frustrated with the way your teeth looked, and really fearful to really get started with anything because you've been to several other dentists and kind of had a hopeless prognosis by a lot of them.
By all of them, yeah, absolutely.
Well, how have things changed here?
Well, when I came to see you, I was pretty much at my wit's end. I mean, after I gave birth to my son, my teeth changed dramatically. My teeth have always been like a little bit crooked, but I don't know exactly the right terminology, but I have a lot of like bone loss. And so not only did I have to get my gums healthy again, but my teeth also shifted even more in the process. So I was basically told that that was pretty much it, that's the way it was going to be. They were all going to fall out. You know, at the time, I think when I got this prognosis, I was, 30 years old, and then I was just faced with the fact that pretty soon, you know, here I am in my early 30s, and I might have to wear dentures. And I chose to, you know, have my gums worked on and try to make them healthier, but it really didn't change the appearance of my teeth. And as time grew, it was getting more and more frustrating for me. You know, I started realizing, my family started realizing that, you know, I wasn't smiling anymore. I was embarrassed to have people really close to me. It started really affecting not only my confidence, but it was affecting my relationships around me. And when I came to Dr. Bob's office, you know, I was just I felt like it was just hopeless, but my husband, he's a patient, and he really thought that Dr. Bob could help me. And, you know, he made an appointment at my convenience, which was really nice because I was really nervous. And he looked at my teeth and he gave me a bunch of different options. It wasn't just the same thing that I heard over and over, that, oh, your teeth are going to fall out, there's nothing that you can do, you're going to wear dentures. I mean, he really addressed very specific issues with me. He understood what the longer prognosis is going to be. Like, he told me this is what's eventually going to happen, which I understood, but then he gave me short-term options to make me feel better about smiling and help with the confidence that I've already lost. And he gave me a bunch of different options and allowed me the opportunity to choose which option was best for me. And, you know, he even brought in my husband, and that way we can make a decision together. And I am completely happy with the results. I mean, I understand that what I have done with my teeth, you know, might be a temporary fix for me, but I love it, and I'm okay with that. That's the choice that I wanted to make. He didn't, you know, impose it on me. He told me, you know, the pros and cons of everything, and I could not be happier.
Good. And you smile again too, huh?
Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you.